Good evening. I hope you are all doing fabulous. It is a beautiful evening out here, not too hot. I'm sitting down and just pulling the weeds around me because I am tired. We've got the lavender tour coming up June 28th. I've been did a wedding. I'll be doing a memorial, a reunion flower wise, so that's exciting. Walking coolers done. That's very exciting. Um, Everything's looking good. I have friends coming out and helping me do the weeds that I can't manage to stay up on. That's all right. Gives us a chance to chat, and that's always fun. Coffee chat and pull weeds. We had a little system blow through our farm and damaged two of my hoop house plastic and took off a section of my roof to my lavender store. So for the lavender tour, I'll have to shut that off and just do a makeshift setup with my products. We'll see about moving forward to repair it. It ruined a couple trusses, but everything's all fixable. Everybody was safe. It was crazy. My wonderful friend at Vista Farms, you can find her on Instagram, set up a kind of a donation spot, so that helped immensely. I am currently now able to buy the plastic for my high tunnels, and I thank each and every one of these wonderful people that donated. It's taken a lot off my plate. The farming, flower farming, and all their followers, people I don't even know, contributed to it, and I thank you for everything. It is a huge relief. So we will get the plastic ordered next week and prepare to have some help to put that on, because one of the high tunnels is 100-foot long, 20-foot wide. Is it 20? Boy, yeah, I think so. I think it's 20. I don't know. Anyway, it's a beast to get that plastic on. So it's about it's 10 foot. I do believe it's 10 foot tall. Either way, that's where I usually raise my plants, and I raise chicks to sell in the spring. So we'll get that one taken care of by the time fall comes. We'll gather a few people, have some beverages, and have some food, and have them help us put it on, because it's a beast. So the other one, super simple. It's a short one, so we can easily put that one on. But once again, I'm grateful for all the help, and I will do updates on what we decide to do with the lavender store. I really, really like it. It's something my nephew and I built, but the whole roof shifted off the walls, so to say, just kind of shifted to one side. But I think we can, if we can repair the truss. Well, the pieces ended up in a tree, is where the roof pieces ended up in a tall tree. It was hilarious. I mean, in hindsight, at the time, I was standing against the house and couldn't figure out where this piece of roof came off of. So nobody was hurt. That's the best thing at all. But I hope to just restore it and make it good as new, because that's where I do my willow wreath classes in the late fall with dried flowers and the willows we grow, and that's such a fun area. So I will try to get you some more updates. It's been very hectic and busy, and the weeds are kicking my butt. So I'll get some more beautiful shots. I'll get some beautiful shots of the lavender coming on. I just did my first harvest for drying, so I'm excited. Hope you have a great evening and stay safe in these weird weather times.